Welcome to Quick Tech News, where we keep you updated in the world of tech without wasting your time. What's up guys, we kick things off today with some iPhone 12 drop testing done by Allstate Protection Plans. They dropped both the iPhone 12 and the iPhone 12 Pro Max from a height of 6 feet at various angles and concluded that the ceramic shield coating really does help to protect the phones. They noted that the iPhone 12 was significantly better than the iPhone 11 and Galaxy S20, but still had visible damage. The standard iPhone 12 seemed to be mostly fine, but the Pro Max, oh boy. At the end of the day, just don't drop your phone. Or if you must, find a nice surface like grass or carpet. If you drop it onto concrete at the wrong angle, your phone will shatter, no matter what kind of coating the screen has. Apple's going to charge $279 for screen repairs and up to $549 for other repairs, so owners should be treating their phones with a lot of care. Moving on to the PlateStation 5. When the design of the console first surfaced, it was very divisive. Many liked the bold design from Sony, whilst others turned it into one giant meme. Well, the memes popped up at least partially due to the black and white color combination of the console. And if you don't like that, then I have good news for you, because there's a company called PlateStation who are now selling a range of custom plates available for the PS5. Currently there's 4 versions. They have Chromatic, which is this shiny silver chrome design. They have Indigo Blue. They have their apparently limited edition V1 Matte Black. I think that's a very nice one. Then we have Cherry Red, and finally this Jungle Camo. All of these will cost $39.99 US and are available to pre-order. They should be shipped on or after the 12th of November. Last up we have some Samsung news, and more specifically, if you're one of the 25 people who actually bought Samsung's first generation of Z Fold phone, I have good news for you. Samsung have just added support for some cool features that were previously only available on their new Z Fold 2. For example, Samsung will now let you use the front screen as a viewfinder on the rear camera, allowing you to take better selfies. The update also brings Capture View, which lets you frame a photo with one half of the Fold's main screen and review up to 5 of the latest photos or videos you've taken on the other half. There's also a Pro Video mode, which lets you capture cinema-like 21:9 video at cinema 24 frames per second. It's nice that Samsung has decided to give the original Z Fold some love with a nice free update, especially considering how much people paid for it. If you enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate if you could like the video, subscribe and tell your friends to help get this channel off the ground. Thanks and see you next time.